Prepare the assembly kit and the necessary tools before assembly. We recommend using lifters. We recommend 2 people working together. Place the splitter against the front bumper to determine its position. The rear part of the splitter should be flush with the rear part of the bumper so that the bumper ends flush with the splitter. The side surfaces of the splitter should be flush with the bumper. Using a few screws, secure the splitter to the bumper so that it does not move relative to the bumper. Remove the front bumper with the attached splitter. Position the bumper with the splitter so that you have the easiest access to the bottom and inside of the bumper. If there is a cover or gasket attached to the bumper, remove it. Then drill the splitter and bumper together along the entire length of the splitter. The hole should be as close to the front edge of the bumper as possible. The hole should be drilled about 12 to 14 centimeters apart. Where the support risers are on the splitter, drill 2 holes in each riser. Insert a bolt from the mounting kit into each drilled hole. The bolt head should point toward the ground and the thread toward the engine. Then place a washer and nut on the bolt. Tighten the bolt securely along the entire length of the splitter. Remove the mounting screws from the splitter. In their place, drill holes through the splitter and bumper. Then place the mounting screws in the holes so that the bolt head points toward the ground and the thread points toward the engine. Then place the washer and nut and tighten the bolts securely. Check the accuracy of the bolts. Check that all bolts are tightened securely. Then reinstall the cover or gasket if it was removed. Reinstall the bumper to the car.